Hello, this is Tati.
This is Miku.
Our channel introduces Japanese culture. Today's topic is
Okonomiyaki,
and
monjyayaki.
what is okonomiyaki?
Okonomiyaki is a Japanese-style pancake, like this.
Okonomi means as you like, so you can put whatever ingredients you like.
Yes, but typical ingredients are pork, cabbage, squid, and shrimp.
Monjyayaki is a similar dish.
But it's not solid like okonomiyaki. The appearance might not be appetizing.
But trust us, it tastes really good. This is how monja comes. I'll show you how to cook it. First, put some oil on the plate and spread it. And cover the entire plate. Put the solid ingredients onto the plate. Then leave the liquid in the bowl. Chop the ingredients. Stir fry for a while. And make a hole. Put some of the liquid into the hole. Wait for a while. Mix them together. And repeat the same process. Make a hole. Put the liquid. And mix. Sounds nice and smells nice. Put some dried seaweed. Grated bonito. And mix them together. Now it's getting ready. Move the mixture. Now you can see the crispy part. It has intense flavor. Now Miku is trying. She can't stop eating. And if you turn it over, you can see the delicious parts. But first, you should clean the mess before you cook the next dish. Clean the spatula and put the leftover into the gutter. First, put oil and spread it. Cook raw ingredients such as pork, octopus, shrimp. Mix the rest of the ingredients. Put the cooked materials back. And mix them again. Put the paste onto the plate. And make it in a round shape. Wait for a while. Patiently. Patience, Miku. Check if it's okay. If it's okay, flip it. Wow, good job! Wait for a while. It's time to put some sauce. Spread it beautifully. Dried seaweed. grated bonito. It's not done. Now it's time for mayonnaise. Cut into pieces. Now it's time to eat. It's mouth-watering. So tasty. It gives me a big smile. Enjoy the sound. It's the end. No, it's not. We have an extra video. Noodle and other ingredients come separately. First, cook raw material, in this case pork. Cut the pork into pieces and stir fry it. Add other ingredients. Salt, pepper, and stir fry for a while. Add the topping. Put the noodle onto the plate and add some broth. And make it loose. Gently, please. And mix them together. Looks good. And sauce. It's tasting time. Not good enough. So we are adding some extra sauce. Looks perfect. Now I'm tasting. I wish you could smell it. Perfect combination of sweetness and saltiness. You can enjoy it not only with your tongue, but with your eyes, nose, and ears.
I'm full.
Yes, so am I.
There is some variation in okonomiyaki. The one we showed today is Eastern Japan style.
But there are some versions from Western Japan. Hiroshima style and Osaka style are famous.
So please find your favorite style. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in Japanese culture,
Please subscribe to our channel.
see you next time.
See you.